Today, I'll show you the SM Accounting Dashboard. Here, you can set a date range and instantly compare payments versus expenses in a simple chart. Below, you'll find quick stats, total invoices, payments received, pending amounts, and overall expenses. You can also manage fee invoices, expenses, and donations directly from this dashboard. At the bottom, the daily payment history gives a detailed record of each transaction, including receipt number, amount, payment method, and student details. In short, this dashboard gives schools a clear and easy way to track finances all in one place. Now, let's move to the fee type section. This page lists all fee categories like sports fee, library fee, and tuition fee, along with their class, amount, and payment period. Some are charged monthly, others quarterly, annually, or even as a one-time payment. You can also search or add a new fee type from here. When adding a new fee type, the form allows you to enter details such as the fee name, class, student type, amount, and payment period. There's also an option to auto-generate invoices on admission or even restrict dashboard access until fees are fully paid. This makes managing fee structures simple, flexible, and transparent for both staff and students. Next, let's move on to the concession type section. Here, schools can define different types of concessions, such as sports quota concessions, sibling concessions, and scholarship concessions. Each entry shows the type, value, class, and the status of the concession, making it clear and organized. When we open a specific concession, such as the sports quota concession, we can see all its details. This includes the concession name, class, type of discount, and the fixed amount. It also shows which fee types the concession applies to, such as tuition, library fee, or sports fees, along with their respective amounts and payment period. At the bottom, the system automatically calculates the total session amount, concession value, and the final payable amount after applying the discount. This feature gives schools the flexibility to handle special cases and ensure fair billing for students who qualify for concessions. Moving forward, we have the Students' Concession section. This page lists all students who have been granted concessions, along with details such as their admission number, class, section, concession type, approval status, approving authority, and the date it was applied. For example, here we can see a student, Mia Garcia, who has been approved for a sports quota concession. When we open her record, the Edit Student Concession page provides complete details. Student information like name, admission number, and class. Concession details including the type of concession, approval date, status, and who approved it. There's also space for remarks, which helps keep records transparent and easy to follow. This section ensures that concessions are student-specific, documented, and fully trackable. Next, let's explore the Fee Invoices section. Here, administrators can view all invoices assigned to students. Each record shows details such as the invoice number, title, payable amount, paid amount, due balance, status, and issue date. At the top, we can also see totals for payments received and amounts still pending. When creating a new invoice, the system offers flexible options. You can generate a single invoice, bulk invoices, or invoices based on fee type. The form allows entry of details such as invoice title, amount, description, due dates, and even discounts. There's also the option to allow partial payments if needed. If an invoice is unpaid, the Collect Payment screen makes it easy to process. It displays invoice details, student information, the amount due, and provides fields to enter payment method, transaction ID, authorization, and notes. Once payment is confirmed, it updates the record instantly. Finally, the Payment History section gives a complete record of all payments. Each entry lists the receipt number, amount, payment method, date, invoice, and student details. This ensures full transparency and makes it easy to track financial activity over time. Next, let's look at the Invoices report. This section provides a consolidated view of student fee records. We can filter by class, section, status, or payment method to quickly identify what has been paid and what's still pending. At the top, totals for cash, check, or other payment methods are displayed for clarity. Moving on, we have the Donations section. Here, schools can organize contributions into categories, such as alumni contributions, infrastructure, scholarship funds, and general donations. Adding a new donation is simple. Just enter details like the title, amount, donor information, invoice number, and donation date. Attachments and notes can also be added for complete records. Now, let's explore the expenses section. This area tracks all school expenses with details such as title, category, supplier name, amount, invoice number, and date. Examples include sports equipment purchases, bus maintenance, and office supplies. Administrators can also add new expenses easily by filling in supplier details, amounts, and uploading supporting documents. Finally, the system allows for bulk invoice printing. By selecting a class, section, and invoice status, multiple invoices can be generated and printed at once, saving valuable time for school staff.